Kia ora guys, and welcome back to another flip video session. Today we are learning to use idioms in our writing. Let's get into it. What does the following saying mean to you? It's the best thing since sliced bread. Have a think about that one. So, what are idioms? An idiom is a word or phrase which means something different from its literal meaning. Because idioms can mean something different from from what the words mean, it is always a good idea to stop and think about the actual meaning behind the saying. Ask yourself, what is the message the author is trying to get across? Example time, we're going to unpack some common sayings and then look at the meaning behind them. So, back to the drawing board. That is an idiom or a common saying, and its actual meaning is when an attempt fails and it's time to start over again. So when you fall down, pick yourself up, go again. Back to the drawing board. Next one. The ball is in your court. What does that mean? Are we talking about basketball? I don't have a basketball court. I don't own a court. What does that saying mean? It means it is up to you to make the next decision or step. It's your turn. Next one. Barking up the wrong tree. I'm not a dog. I don't bark up a tree. What are you talking about? That saying means the person is looking in the wrong place or accusing the wrong person of something. So if I said someone is barking up the wrong tree, I'm saying you're looking in the wrong place, or I'm not the person you're looking for. What about this one? You can't judge a book by its cover. I'm sure we've all heard that one before, but what does that mean? It means we cannot judge someone or something based on its appearance, based on what it looks like. So why do we use these? What's the point? Idioms add interest and creativity to writing and help to keep the reader engaged. Idioms can also add humour in places where you may otherwise sound mean. For example, if you have a character in one of your stories who is not that smart, you could write the lights are on but nobody's home. That's a nice way of saying that that character isn't that intelligent. Writing when pigs fly is a more interesting way to say that something is highly unlikely to occur. So you can see that it keeps the reader engaged, adds a bit of creativity, and it puts a bit of humour in there as well, if used appropriately. Remember guys, don't forget to highlight where you have used idioms in your own writing. I am looking forward to seeing them. Ka pai.